Why does standing on Lego hurt so much? Why do those little bricks cause unimaginable, undescribable pain, which can only be described afterwards, because you can't describe anything at the time, as being like giving birth out of your foot? There are two things that add up to cause such pain. Firstly, the bricks themselves. They have very little give and very sharp corners. Add that to the fact that your feet have up to 200,000 sensory receptors. Those two things combine and it blooming hurts. Tip though, if you're going to stand on Lego, stand on several Lego, because it's less likely to hurt quite so much. Why? It's because the receptors in your foot send a signal to your brain to say, this flipping hurts. If it's concentrated in one little area, i.e. you stand on one Lego brick, then it's very concentrated pain, and that labour-like pain will be in that one little area. Stand on Lego over the entire length of your foot, and the receptors will all say, hang on a minute, this hurts a bit. So, like I say, won't hurt quite so much. Don't stand on Lego. Thank you for watching today's Fact of the Day, but before you go anywhere, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you're into that sort of thing, smash the thumbs up button as well, and I will see you in the next video.